From the Federal Reserve to central banks in Europe, Japan, and beyond. These are the stories to watch in business and finance in the coming week. The week's main event is shaping up to be a resumption of U.S. monetary easing after a 9-month pause. The Fed's Tuesday to Wednesday meeting follows bad news on the jobs front and tame inflation readings from CPI and PPI reports. That's paving the way for a rate cut by at least 25 basis points. Some Fed officials, including Chair Jerome Powell at the Jackson Hole Symposium last month, have signaled a cut is coming. A Friday rate hike looks like a long shot for the Bank of Japan. Japan won't know who its next prime minister is until October 4th at the earliest, and the frontrunners couldn't be much further apart in their views on fiscal and monetary policy. Another complication is potential Fed easing. A BOJ hike in that environment could roil Japan's already fragile bond market, accelerate yen strength, and knock stocks off their record peaks. Europe's not missing out on a central bank-packed week. The Bank of England is tipped to hold rates steady on Thursday, and analysts have pushed back forecasts for future rate cuts, citing sticky inflation. August inflation numbers are out Wednesday, while UK jobs data will be released on Tuesday. Norway's central bank also meets on Thursday. Several major emerging market central banks also have rate decisions. Having announced a new and lower policy objective of achieving 3% inflation, central bankers in South Africa will have to re-anchor inflation expectations and might keep rates on hold at 7%. Brazil is expected to keep rates at a nearly 20-year high of 15% on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, analysts are undecided over whether Indonesia's central bank will cut or keep rates at 5%.